How to book a flight online Turkish Airlines. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, first things first, you can just head over to your mobile browsers, or in my case, I'm using my desktop right here. So you simply want to head over to your browser. Once inside, you can then go ahead and search for the turkishairlines.com, or you simply want to type it into your web destination right here. Once inside, we will then be taken to this page, and at the top of this page we have the flight option. From here you have your round trip, you have your one way if you want to do that, stopover in Istanbul, multi-city. Now you can just go ahead and select the trip that you want to go ahead and purchase. In my case, I'll select the one-way ticket. From here you will be able to simply select on your country or on your airport, and right after that, select your destination. And from there, we simply want to select our date. Click on OK. And lastly, you have your passengers. Enter the right passenger right here and select the economy or business class. From there, you simply want to click on the search flight. And so, once after searching, you will be able to see available flights for you to purchase or buy tickets online. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.